stay tuned for the next episode of The Sunny Sailor, coming your way right now. Right now. Keep watching. So I needed to bring my candy back. Look at that pink. So now she looks good. Does she look good? What a great meal! Living alone. I don't like it. Spending all this time alone may make me a little weird. I like my ass clean. That's sexy. Jeff Bezos' $500 million vessel. I'm in the rich neighborhood now, baby.
We started out like this, but horrible life situations turned us into this. The Sunny Sailor continues on. I'm a bad motherfucker. For the Sunny Sailor, though, it's always paradise found.
So I needed to bring my candy back to her original color. My boat came with a dinghy. And as you've seen in previous episodes, she's called Candy. Candy's been rode hard. Need to pump her up every time you go somewhere. But the motor runs fine. I heard from the previous owner, Jolly Holly, that the motor used to be pink for the same tired boat. So I decided to bring Candy back to her beautiful, glorious state that she was intended. And I painted my motor pink. Look at that pink. So now she runs good, she looks good. Yeah. Does she look good? Does she? That's the question. The motor cowling looks good. Look at that pink. Looks pretty sexy, don't you think? And you know when I'm coming, because you can see my pink motor. That's sexy. But the boat itself, well, I got a dream. This is what I want right here. I need a new one. One can always dream, right? Yeah, like horses. Ready to be ridden. That's awesome right there. Holly, what are your party skills? You got a lot of hip action. Love it. So when my friend Sylvie calls, I gotta come. I don't want it over. I like it. I like it. Doing crazy stuff like picking leaves. What? Oh, that's an airplane. Oh yeah. There's one here.
I like to say if there's a snake there. Just a little bit there. And then I go and I push. And I push.
Do it.
When I get on top, then I go.
Yeah, that's a beautiful view.
My friend Sylvie, she lives in St. Thomas and she is a professional chef. She does a lot of chefing for charter boats and Airbnbs, and she is amazing. Like, she can look and find stuff and blah, blah, blah. It comes out food, really good food. So I was delighted when she invited me over to her house so she could cook for me. Oh, this is beautiful. What a great meal. And boy, was it worth the walk up that hill. Sylvie is available to hire. Hit me up and I'll tell you how to contact her. Oh my God, I have wings.
So even though I have a water maker and I can make 6-7 gallons an hour, which isn't very much, considering how much I swim and take a shower, I like my ass clean. I still wanted the ability to catch rain in the rainy season. So I ordered this thing off of Amazon. They call it a leak diverter. Technically, I think for legal reasons, they can't call it a rain catcher because I'm sure they're worried about the legality of saying that you can catch rainwater and drink it. But we all know that's where all water comes from, rain. Rain catcher out hose goes into the tank, and this thing is tied up. Pretty cool device here. Like it. Look, it's already catching rain. It's a few drops. So I bought this thing, and so far it has not rained enough for me to actually use it, but I think it's still going to be great. It's a Saturday night. Sitting here, doing my thing, living alone. And I like it. I can swim when I want, which is a lot. I can eat what I want. It's so good. I love it. I love living alone. I love not having to worry all the time. My stress is gone. I did some swimming today. You can see all the mask lines still on my face. Right there. I was underwater a long time. I swam with my octopus friend. I chased a barracuda. I made some water. I made some content about you. And I really love being alone. And I don't have any stresses. I don't worry. Yes, that's the best part. Not having to worry about what somebody, well, we're not going to talk about it. I'm happy. This is good. Life on a boat on a Saturday night is quiet. That means I'm happy. Okay, I have to admit that spending all this time alone may make me a little weird. Okay, I admit it, because I spend a lot of time with my 7 friends that live under my boat. I put my light in the water, I sit and watch them eat. He's gonna get it, he's gonna get it. And do other stuff. I just saw a fish shit. At least I admit that I'm weird, but hey, it's entertainment. It's my own private aquarium right under my boat. Yacht Haven Grande in St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands, sure attracts some grande yachts. Look at this one. This is Jeff Bezos' $500 million vessel. The support vessel for Jeff Bezos' boat is $75 million. Yeah, that's what I heard. It's supposed to look like her. I'm in the rich neighborhood now, baby.
Oh, it's so pretty. We're admiring your boobs.
Thanks for watching from the Sunny Sailor. My Patreon supporters keep me making these videos, so they get a lot of uncut, raw, and uncensored videos that nobody else gets. So join my Patreon crew. Go to my Patreon, The Sunny Sailor, or point your camera right at this QR code and it'll send you right there. My videos, uncut, uncensored, raw, ready, without any of the blurs. You can get every episode. Just go to my website, TheSunnySailor.com. You have access to it all. To it all of it. I appreciate you being one of my followers and subscribers and people that contact me and comment, because I love all of it. So if you haven't done so, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow, both on this platform and on my website, TheSunnySailor.com. Or, again, just take your camera and point it right at this QR code. It'll send you right there.